Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how to recognize tables and drawing titles. Let's recognize the table, which at the moment is a collection of individual elements. To do this, we'll need the construction module. Open the drop-down list in the Tables and Title Blocks group and select the Table Recognition tool. Let's specify a point near the table, after which a notification will appear that the table has been found. Now we can highlight it and see that it is a table object. Let's move it to a new location, after which we can double-click to open the table editor. The default table is recognized as the nanoCAD table and is created on the current layer. We can change the information in it, and it will change in the current table. Similarly, we can recognize a title block. To do this, use the Drawing Title or Borders Recognition command. The selection is made by sequentially comparing all stamp templates from the library with the geometric objects available in the drawing. As you can see, our template has been recognized, and now we can interact with it. Let's correct the title block to the one we had in the first option. This concludes the lesson on tables and title blocks. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next lessons.